Guangdong Green&Health Intelligence Cold Chain Technology Company Limited was founded in 2010 and has over 14 years of experience in the field of refrigeration equipment. The company is located in Huadu District, Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province, covering an area of 3,000 square meters. It has more than 30 employees, including salespersons, after-sales service staff, and management personnel. Green&Health is a professional supplier of refrigeration equipment such as commercial display freezers, open chiller, cold storage, meat freezer, ice cream freezer, and cake showcase, etc. In 2021, Guangdong Xinyan Intelligence Equipment Technology Company Limited was built in Jiangmen, Guangdong as the company's core production base. The base has a construction area of over 75,000 square meters, including facilities such as production plants, office buildings, and staff quarters, and employs about 140 people, including production staff, research and development engineers, and administrative management personnel. The factory adopts advanced equipment such as laser cutting machines, bending machines, foaming machines, and high-temperature testing room to produce high-quality products that can withstand market and customer inspections. For customers, we ensure that provide customized services according to customer needs, provide reasonable solutions to customers' problems, recommend the most suitable product based on the actual situation of the customer. Our company is dedicated to be the most influential and professional cold chain production base in China. Welcome to visit us.